Hi, Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World. Join me as I take you through brand new line for Reflection, the 100 series. So they are still the same great quality and construction of the Reflections, just smaller floor plans and lighter weight. So this one is the Reflection 28 RL, weighing in at 8,200 pounds, so half-ton towable. Still have the R40 insulation from on the roof and all the way around to the front cap, double insulated, R30 in the floor, fully enclosed and heated underbelly, as well as fully enclosed and heated gate valves. Let's get started here. On the side, you've got your 130-pound propane tank. The other one is on the roadside in a compartment. Nice full pass-through storage here, totally unobstructed, and they completely seal everything off. Light in there, full aluminum construction, so every opening, windows, doors, cargo, baggage doors, all aluminum frame for strength and durability. And as you see on pretty much every coach these days, of course, you have your power awning with your LED lights built in. So you've got your ladder to access the roof for any maintenance you may need to do. It is backup camera prepped if you choose to add a backup camera. And you do have the towing hitch. So 300-pound hitch rating and a 3,000-pound tow capacity. So we're inside the 2024 Reflection 28 RL 100 series. As we enter, we've got a great hutch here, nice size countertop, 2 plug-ins, storage up above here. Love that you can put your toaster, coffee maker, ice maker, what have you on there. A bank of 3 drawers down the middle and some storage on either side. Moving into the kitchen, it is your island kitchen, great size island, nice countertop off to the side here. You do have your one-piece stainless steel farm sink with the drying rack on top and your residential faucet. On the back side of the island here, you have an open cabinet below the sink, so a great place to put a garbage can. And then you do have your bank of 3 drawers, full extension drawer glides on your metal drawer glides. Behind the island here, we've got your oven, 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover, microwave, again, another plug-in over here and a little bit of counter space for when you're working on the stove, and the 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. So this coach is equipped with solar panels. So that is a 12-volt refrigerator. We have what they call the new style hybrid dinette. So you've got the bench seating here, 2 chairs, and this actually can pull out. You can use it for an ottoman if you wish, and there's storage below that. And as you can see in the coach, there is no carpet, so nice, easy cleanup. Moving on into the living area here, we've got your theater seats. So these guys have recline, heat, and a massage for those cooler evenings. You might want to kick back, put the heat on your seats. Tri-fold sofa here for an extra sleeping space if you have guests that are joining you. Nice storage up above, deep cabinets, great place to hide those snacks or any board games, that sort of thing. Directly across from your theater seats, we have your entertainment system. So you've got a flat screen TV that is actually on a swivel, so you can angle it wherever you want to have it. If you're maybe sitting at the dinette, you can move it to face that way. Electric fireplace to take that chill off again on those cooler spring evenings or a little bit into the fall. Storage, drawer, cabinets on either side, and your Bluetooth stereo system. Moving along up into the washroom, you have your porcelain foot flush toilet, towel bar, and a little linen rack up top, residential style shower, your sink vanity, and your medicine cabinet. And this coach is equipped with your tankless water heater. Master bedroom, you have your 60 by 80 residential queen size mattress, little nightstands on either side. You've got plug-ins on each side. Another little cubby shelf up top here with a USB port, so for your phones, that sort of thing. You've got a shelving unit across the top of the bed and a storage cabinet on each side of the bed. I love what Grand Design does at the foot of the bed in most of their models. They have this added storage here, so you have a hanging rod and 2 more drawers, and there's actually another little open cubby on the bottom there for maybe some shoes to be tucked away. And you have a mount for your TV up above the window here. So thanks for joining me on this tour of the 2024 Reflection 100 Series 28RL. A one-slide couples coach weighing in at 8,200 pounds dry, so definitely half-ton towable. All the same great features that you're going to find in a regular Reflection, just with your shorter length and your lighter weight. Give us a shout, Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.